So the question is, did I re-tear my ACL graft? After surgery, you may be nervous or scared to start using your knee again. You may be walking on an uneven surface or take an awkward step and think to myself, oh no, did I do something wrong? Don't panic. The answer is probably not. In the first couple of months after an ACL surgery, you're unlikely to have a tear in your ACL graft, and that's for a couple of reasons. The first is that your surgeon does a very good job of testing your ACL graft in surgery to make sure that it's stable enough for you to use. The second is that you'll have activity limitations after your surgery, which means that the things that you are able to do, like walking, bending, and straightening your knee, those usually do not have enough force going through your knee to cause an ACL to tear. Now, this doesn't mean that early in your recovery, it's impossible for you to have a tear in your ACL graft, just that it's unlikely. Where most people start to see these tears are when they start to return back to sports. Specifically, if you return back to your sport within 9 months of your ACL surgery, you're at a significantly higher chance of having a tear in your ACL graft.